Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RV dishwasher that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Farberware RV Dishwasher. The little champ can fit plates up to 12 inches in diameter and also comes with a cutlery rack. There are 5 wash programs: normal, fruit wash, baby care, rapid, and glass. Plus, it has lower and upper arm sprays that wash the nastiest and makes them sparkling clean. It generates steam during the baby care cleaning, which sanitizes small baby items like bottles and toys and gives them a sparkling clean finish. Moreover, it comes with a fruit basket where you can clean your daily fruits and vegetables. Besides that, it also comes with a 40 minutes rapid wash cycle which dries dishes with automatic air circulation. So you don't have to wipe and dry dishes when they are done. It's not picky with the type of soap you use. You can choose liquid detergent, powder, or pods. It makes it very easy to use with the digital LED control panel. It's made of plastic and hence easily portable. Moving on, at number 4, we have the hOmeLabs RV Dishwasher. The hOmeLabs can give the cleaning of full-sized dishware. It's perfect for RV owners and people who have limited space on their countertops. It has a spacious interior with 6 place settings, including a disc rack and a silverware basket. It has a simple digital control panel, and 6 wash programs which are heavy, speed, normal, eco, glass and rinse. It includes 2 spray arms that delicately cleanse your favorite dishwares and glassware and gives them a sparkling clean finish. It's easy to connect to your kitchen faucet since it comes with all the quick-fitting accessories, including a faucet adapter, inlet and drain hose. There's no baby care. Instead, you get a rinse aid with which you can rinse and dry your delicate glassware and mugs without any marks or streaks. And there's an indicator light that tells you when to refill the soap dispenser. Besides this, there's also a delay start button which will postpone the wash cycles. The countertop measures 17.2 by 19.6 by 21.6 inches, which will easily fit over your kitchen countertop. What else do you need? It's simple to use, it's convenient with the digital control panel, and you get 6 wash cycles. It's a full-sized dishwasher in a compact counter-size unit. At number 3, we have the Danby RV Dishwasher. It comes with a faucet adapter that's compatible with most faucet kitchens. We love the stainless steel interior, which has enough space for your full-sized dishes and bowls. It also comes with a silverware basket. If you are thinking about wash cycles, it won't disappoint you. You get 6 wash cycles which are normal, intensive, soak, economy, glass, and rapid. This countertop dishwasher operates at 52 decibels, which is significantly lower than most of the budget options out there. It uses 3.1 gallons of water in normal cycles. Moreover, there's a delay start option that allows you to delay the program by 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. The unit measures 19.69 D by 21.65 inches W by 17.24 inches H and can easily fit under most kitchen cabinets. At number 2, we have the EdgeStar RV Dishwasher. It features a compact design that easily fits under most kitchen cabinets. With 6 place settings, this countertop dishwasher can accommodate many dishes while taking up minimal space on the countertop. It holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter and has 7 wash cycles which are normal, heavy, light, glass, speed, rinse, and baby care. The baby care cycle can be used to sanitize small baby items like toys and bottles. It generates continuous waves of steam to disinfect delicate items. We love the stainless steel interior that is easy to clean and has a convenient digital display. It consumes very less water, only 2.75 gallons in a normal cycle, and works silently, 52 decibels, which is unnoticeable in most busy kitchens. The dimensions of the units are 19.63 D by 21.63 inches W by 17.31 H. It's not the most power-efficient unit in the market as it consumes 1,160 watts. But it's very efficient at its job. You also get a quick connect faucet adapter which fits most kitchen faucets. And finally at number 1, we have the COMFEE RV Dishwasher. The COMFEE countertop dishwasher comes at a very reasonable price and can be your next purchase if you wish to save on your counter space. It measures only 17.1 by 18.1 by 17.1 inches, which is one of the most compact units you will ever find. Its 5L built-in water tank doesn't need to be connected to a water hose, and if you need it, it comes with a faucet adapter. It's not only one of the most affordable options, it's also equipped with multiple safety features like a child lock and leak protection that detects water overflow and cuts off the connection to make sure your kitchen is safe and tidy. Moving on to its cleaning capacity, well, the little unit is capable of washing 30+ items in one go. It can accommodate large plates, maximum 9.5 inches in diameter. You get 6 wash cycles which include normal, rapid, glass, steam, fruit, and air refresh, which includes an extra drying cycle where fresh air removes any moisture and keeps your dishes as well the interior of the device dry and odor-free. There's also a high-temperature wash cycle in which it heats the water at 162 F temperature to ensure the highest level of hygiene. You can use this to wash your baby bottles and toys to remove germs and odor. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.